Hello, good day everyone. Uncle Clyde here once more. Today's menu is a tradition menu from way back when how my parents always teach me. And that is the Old Year's night menu into the New Year's. Black Eyed Peas Pelau. You can't go wrong with that. It's a tradition, we're trying to keep it up, and always I have the health and strength. After God, I will continue doing it. So here I have smoke bone and pigtail, carrot, black eyed peas, I have the rice, and I'll put coconut milk. So I'll put the pot to hot now. So as the pot hot up, I will brown them a little bit, put a little ruku. As usual, Uncle Clyde must use the ruku and stew it up. And then I'll add all the other ingredients. So now I'll add oil, a little sugar, not too much. So you just want a little color to make sure you get a nice little color. When I brown in everything, the ruku will finish give me the color. I have to leave it take good browning first. You know, my color, and then I'll add the ruku. So finish, give it my golden color. That kind of thing. So now I'm going to brown the meat. So add a little ruku so you can get the real color. So I will leave it boil up a little while, let the ruku go through it, and then I will turn it over. Wait a little few minutes there. So now I will turn it over so that make sure every piece of meat get the color. See, already getting the color one. So now I'll add some water and put all my ingredients, rice, peas, carrot, everything. The black eyed peas, carrot, I'll put tomato and some pimento. First I'll put the rice now. Some people don't wash the rice, but I just wash it. Because if you notice, watch the color. You see it? See the color of the water? So that needs to come out. So now I'll add a little tomato and pimento. Some people just take out the seed, but to me, the seed is the real flavor. So I put everything. I will get some bay leaf now, some fresh bay leaf direct from the tree, this way. So we have it live and direct here, fresh from the tree. You could never go wrong. I love in the house. And I always crack my bay leaf before I put it in the pot. That's it. One or two. And place them. You don't have to put too much because it's highly flavored. So now I'm going to grate coconut. I'll just see I take them off the shell already. I'll go and grate them. So I could add a little coconut milk to it. Give it a nice little flavor, you know. At the end of the day, my food will taste good. I love in the house. So now I'll add fresh coconut milk, what I just grate, as you now see. That's about it. Cover it up, leave it boil up, and we're good to go. Love in the house. I'll check my pot and see how things going. As you can see, everything looking okay for now. Going on with that. Nice little golden color. Black Eyed Peas Pelau. Can't go wrong. With Black Eyed Peas Pelau, I always have a little zaboka to go with it. See the breed? We call this cocoa zaboka. From a long-time cocoa estate. See how it chip?